In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Hostinger subscription. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your Hostinger account so you can access your billing settings right away. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there, and that's where you'll begin. Go ahead and click the profile icon to open the account menu. From that menu, select Billing. This will take you to the area where Hostinger manages your payments, plans, and subscription details. If you have more than one service in your account, this section helps you see everything in one place. So take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct subscription before making any changes. Once you're inside the billing section, look for the subscriptions area. This is where your active hosting plans or other paid services will be listed. Find the subscription you want to cancel, and when you locate it, you'll need to click Disable Auto-Renewal. This is the key step in the cancellation process. Disabling auto-renewal means your subscription will not renew at the end of the current billing period. In other words, you'll still be able to use the service until your existing plan expires, but you won't be charged again for the next cycle. That's important to understand because in many cases this does not end the service immediately, it simply prevents future automatic payments. After you click Disable Auto-Renewal, Hostinger may ask you to confirm your decision. If a confirmation prompt appears, just review it carefully and approve the change. Once it's confirmed, your subscription should remain active until the end of the paid term, and then it will end automatically. As a helpful tip, after turning off auto-renewal, it's a good idea to double-check the subscription status to make sure the change was applied successfully. You may see an updated renewal status or a note showing that the plan will expire on a certain date instead of renewing automatically. And that's all you need to do to cancel your Hostinger subscription by stopping automatic renewal. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process anytime you want to manage other subscriptions in your billing settings.